Hi, and welcome to 24 Wheelers. Today we're looking at my 7 favorite add-ons that I've done to the Jeep for under $100. Before we get started, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and also check out the description box below. I'm going to add some links for just about all the things we're going to cover today, just in case you want to check them out for yourself. All right, let's get started. All right, starting off the list is my DIY Jeep deck. I built this myself, made it out of plywood, 2x4s, and carpet. Some of the materials I had already, specifically the 2x4s, but I bought the carpet and the plywood, and this totaled me about $80 to build. So designed it out, built it, bolted it in, and this gives me the ability to mount my fridge in the back of the Jeep and also stow a bunch of extra gear. Absolutely love this thing. Originally thought that this would be a temporary solution. There's several companies that make these and they all run about $1,000. So like I said, I thought maybe this would be a temporary thing, but to be honest with you, I'm kind of digging it. You'll notice that I lost my back seat. Personally, two-door Jeep, in my opinion, doesn't really need a back seat. So the back seat is gone and the Jeep deck is here to stay. Next up, magnetic paper towel holder from Amazon, $15. This is fantastic because I can stick it just about anywhere where there's metal. This thing stays pretty much right here most of the time. The gate will shut with the paper towel holder right here, but I can also pull it off and stick it on the side of the Jeep. If it's in my way for some reason, I'm out at camp, I need a quick paper towel. You can't see this, but it's on the back of the Jeep. Great ad, I love it. All right, next up is the hockey puck LED light from Amazon. There it is. Now, I don't remember exactly which model I have on this one, but I did search out Amazon and found a few different options, and they all range about $8 to $10. So I had this light stuck on the back of the glass here, so I can turn it on and off if I'm making some coffee early in the morning, or I'm doing something in the evening or at night where I just need a little extra light. And you know, it's a cheap, super easy add-on. Next up, I'm cheating just a little bit because this is really only a partial upgrade that's included for $100. But since I already had the Dometic water system, the jug, and also the dispenser, which isn't here at the moment, I added in 2 things from American Adventure Lab. One is the dispenser mount. The dispenser goes right on top of this. And then the second thing is this handy dandy little mount here where the jug straps into, and then you can mount this, which obviously I haven't done just yet, but you can mount this back on the deck of the Jeep. And then it also comes with this kit, which includes hose and stick-ons and zip ties and those sorts of things, so you can run a line from the dispenser back into the Jeep wherever you have your jug mounted. And you've got instant on and off water for while you're out at camp, whether it's washing hands, washing dishes, filling up a water bottle, whatever it might be. So I did get them on sale. I think I ended up paying about $80 or so for the 2 together. If you get them retail on the website, I think they're maybe 10 or 15% more than that. But these things are awesome. Really, really well made and major functionality when you're out at camp. My next item is the Step 22 Visor Mount. It's a MOLLE panel that attaches to your visor and you can put stuff on it. Currently, the only thing I have on here is the seatbelt cutter from Gerber, but while on the visor, I might use it to stash a pen or my sunglasses or my eyeglasses. It just kind of depends. These run about $50 from Step 22 and they're fantastic. One of my absolute favorite additions to my Jeep is my radio mount from Jeep Unique. It attaches to the grab bar handle, and for $50, I can carry 2 radios right within reach. So the configuration I have is the ICOM 2730A, that's my ham radio. The handset goes on the lower mount, and then I have my GMRS radio. I've got the Baofeng, or however you say that, UV5R, that goes on the upper mount. So when you're ordering this online, you just tell them which radios you have and they send you the appropriate piece. Love this unit, and also kind of doubles as a pretty cool hat rack. My 7th item on the list is the rope roller from Roller Cam Straps. If you buy it online, it comes with 6, and then I think it said 2 10-foot sections. I got mine at the More Expo. I believe it's the same price that I paid online, or that I paid at the expo rather, as what's posted online. But at the expo, you got more paracord essentially. So if you got your own paracord, use that. That's great. But if you need some, this is what I got. So I'm using this as essentially a shelf, so to speak, up here in the top of my Jeep. Obviously, two-door Jeeps don't have a lot of storage space. I've got the Hess camping mattress up here right now. It's a really huge mattress, but it's very comfortable, and it's worth the size to bring it along. So strapping it up here like that gets it out of the way and doesn't impede. It doesn't take up too much space that way. I can also stick other things up here. I'll usually stuff in a pillow or two up there as well, but you can see there's additional space up there. And then when I don't have the mattress in, I just cinch up the ropes, and they're hanging, and they're ready to put whatever you want in there. So $45. Rope rollers from Cam Straps. Super cool investment. I use these also as guy lines in my tent. I've got the Gazelle tent, so I use these as guy lines for that. Obviously, you can use this sort of thing with just about anything that you're going to use paracord on. So not limited to this, but this is one way that I've added some storage space in my two-door Jeep. Those are my 7 favorite add-ons or additions that I've done to my Jeep for under $100. What about you? Do you have suggestions? Drop those in the comments section below. I'd love to hear about those. If you liked the video, if you found this information helpful, please hit that like button. And remember, whether on the trail or on the road, I'll see you out there.